The Ferrari F80 is a 1,200 horsepower hybrid hypercar that replaces the legendary LaFerrari. It has 3 electric motors, an 800-volt battery, and a twin-turbo V6 engine that produces 900 horsepower on its own, the highest specific output in Ferrari history at 300 horsepower per litre. But one component stands out as either a stroke of genius or a potential maintenance nightmare: the 48-volt electric turbochargers. The F80's E-turbos use an axial electric motor mounted between the turbine and compressor. This motor can spin the blades almost instantly, spinning up to 130,000 RPM, effectively eliminating turbo lag. The result is instant throttle response, something that traditionally aspirated engines naturally provide, but turbocharged engines often lack. Ferrari says the electric turbos operate under a unique calibration for each gear, providing the responsiveness of a naturally aspirated engine in a turbo motor. The genius of the F80 system is not just the E-turbos themselves, it is how Ferrari powers them. Despite having both a 12-volt and a 48-volt electrical system, there is no dedicated 48-volt battery in the car. Instead, Ferrari uses a DC-DC converter that draws power from the 2.3 kilowatt-hour 800-volt hybrid battery. The same battery that powers the front and rear electric motors. This converter steps down the voltage to supply the 48-volt active suspension, the E-turbos, and the 12-volt ancillaries. It uses resonant technology to achieve over 98% efficiency with no delay. This approach saves significant weight and complexity. The high-voltage battery itself weighs just 86 pounds. Each front motor is only 28 pounds, and the rear motor is 19.4 pounds. The entire front axle, including motors, cooling system, and inverter, weighs just 135 pounds. Ferrari has also saved about 31 pounds in the F80 by combining multiple power electronics and cooling elements into one compact unit. The F80's high-voltage battery is rated at a maximum voltage of 860 volts and can charge and discharge at a maximum rate of 242 kilowatts. Ferrari offers a Forever Ferrari program that ensures battery technology is updated over time. But the long-term reliability of the 48-volt DC-DC converter, especially under the extreme heat and vibration of a 1,200 horsepower hypercar, remains unknown. But this is where the potential nightmare begins. The F80's electrical system uses 3 different voltages: 800 volts for the hybrid battery, 48 volts for the E-turbos and suspension, and 12 volts for ancillaries. The components are densely packaged, and the car uses proprietary diagnostic software and tools that limit access for general repair facilities. The E-turbos spin at 130,000 RPM and create 3.7 bar of boost, the highest ever achieved on a production car. The system is highly sensitive to voltage irregularities or poor connections, which can trigger fault codes or limp modes. Minor faults in one sensor or wiring connection can affect multiple systems. Replacement components for Ferrari's electrical systems are costly and often must be sourced directly from the manufacturer. A 48-volt E-turbo failure would likely require specialist diagnostics, proprietary tools, and potentially a lengthy visit to a dealership. Unlike conventional turbos, which can often be rebuilt, the E-turbo is a sealed unit with integrated electronics. It cannot be repaired by a third-party specialist. The F80's 48-volt E-turbo system is undoubtedly an engineering masterpiece. lightweight, efficient, and responsive. But it is also a system that relies on a complex interplay of voltages, sensors, and proprietary diagnostics. Genius engineering often comes with a trade-off. For the F80, that trade-off may be a steep learning curve and a potentially steep repair bill when things go wrong.